All right, hi, I'm Bill and welcome to the channel. So this morning I'm out here with the Fujifilm X-H2S and we've been doing some pickleball drilling, and I wanted to see what the focus capabilities were in this mode. I'm shooting 4K 25 frames per second, and I won't know until I get back into the office whether or not these what the focus looks like, but I'm going to continue to do a series of tests to push the capabilities of the Fujifilm X-H2S. Going to do some birds in flight type focusing coming up and those type of things. So again, let's see what it looks like. Okay, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and always check out the links in the video description. If you are an Amazon shopper and you use one of our links to go to Amazon and you purchase something, even if it's not the item at the end of our link, but you purchase something within 24 hours, we will get some affiliate marketing credit at no additional cost to you. So it's a great way to support the channel. Like always, don't let your camera collect dust. Get out there and create. Till next time.